Although a lot of principles and rules that we will go through apply to all social media channels, this course focuses on two platforms, Facebook and Instagram. Let's look closely at Facebook. Facebook's main peculiarity is the ability to have a link in every post. It also has quite a lot of rich functionality, such as lives and groups. Besides LinkedIn, Facebook is the only platform that has groups and events. Facebook allows you to integrate your shop and Trustpilot reviews. Facebook's main drawback is its very low organic reach. It's estimated to be around 2%, meaning your Facebook post will reach around 2% of your audience. The organic reach has decreased over the years from 7% in 2018 to 2% in 2021. That's why a lot of brands are so frustrated with Facebook. They spend years creating content and building their communities on Facebook, but now they can't reach their audiences. My suggestion is to always boost the post, meaning you retarget your own followers using the organic post to guarantee that your message reaches your audience. Let's digress for a minute and talk about two types of targeting used in digital marketing channels. One is prospecting. This is when you retarget a completely new audience that hasn't interacted with our brand in the past. Another one is retargeting. This is when we reach out to the audience that interacted with us in the past. They can be followers or people who viewed our videos, clicked on our links, or visited the website. So when I say boosting, I mean retargeting your followers as a tactic to reach them with your organic post. It is best practice to boost your post to your followers to get good reach for your posting. The algorithm of Facebook is quite complex. It takes into consideration relationship, content type, popularity, and recency. With low organic reach, it is quite difficult to go viral or to get immense reach on Facebook. In terms of posting frequency, there are different theories. The majority of brands post 3 times per week. There is a theory saying that once per day is optimal for posting on Facebook. I saw research by HubSpot stating that if you post more than once per day, your engagement will drop. You need to experiment and try different posting frequency for your brand to define the optimal frequency for you and your audience. Facebook is an asset-rich platform. You can post static images, carousels, videos, stories, and reels. You have your chance to get creative and experiment with different types of posts. On all platforms, if you use trending and new features, you get more reach. I highly advise you to use the trending features like Reels, Stories, Lives, Events, and Facebook Shopping. Facebook allows you to use hashtags to get discovered. Let's analyze this Facebook post from Trini London. The post has these two elements. Caption, also known as post copy, refers to the words in the post. Creative, also known as an asset, refers to the visual or design, the visual part of the post. Please note that on Facebook, captions come first and are followed by creative. Let's analyze the caption. It has an engagement hook as the post starts with a question. Also, there is a strong call to action, or CTA, prompting people to complete a matching survey. The post uses a hashtag to encourage the community to post with the hashtag. There is a branded link that goes to their website. It is up to the brand to decide if they want to use a branded link or a short bit.ly version. Shorter URLs were more relevant when the post had a lower character count. From the creative standpoint, it's a carousel post with different user-generated photos and shopping tags to the mentioned products. For people who want to connect, there is an option to send an instant message. This is a good example showcasing all the elements of a Facebook post that need to be thought through by a social media manager.